Good morning, Wairarapa local news for Monday the 12th of December. Health Minister Jonathan Coleman says this year's expansion of the successful Fruit in Schools initiative to a record 547 schools has had a positive impact. Dr Coleman says children need to eat well in order to optimise their learning, and that's why Fruit in Schools has been beneficial to so many students. Hundreds of thousands of items of fruit have been enjoyed by students across the region. According to the Green Party, beaches in Wellington, Wairarapa and the top of the South Island are at less risk of being decimated by an oil spill after Anadarko surrendered its fossil fuel exploration permits in the Pegasus Basin. Energy and Resources spokesperson Gareth Hughes says as we head into summer, people can celebrate that the chance of an oil spill on their favourite beach just got much lower. 53 students will descend on Taratahi in the Wairarapa this week as part of the 3-day Agricultural Careers Taster course, one of the many indicators that the institution is on track for a great year. Business Development Manager Richard Wainhall says it shows that the efforts of Taratahi and the wider primary industry to encourage young people into the agriculture sector are yielding some positive results. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Sevens team have missed out on qualifying for the Nationals after going down to Honowhenua Company 14-7 on Saturday. 2 wins and 2 losses got them to the qualifying match. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.